Welcome to SOS Electronic. Today we will discover compact WIZnet PoE module for IoT applications up to 7 watts. The WIZ PoE P1 is a compact PoE module from WIZnet. It delivers both power and data over Ethernet in 2 modes, eliminating the need for extra cabling. It saves space and costs while simplifying installation for embedded systems and external IoT applications. Take advantage of our in-stock availability and try the WIZnet PoE module in your next development project. It is designed to extract power from an Ethernet cable using a PoE PD interface and integrates a feedback-based DC-DC converter that delivers a stable 5-volt DC output. It can power a wide range of 5-volt devices with ease, such as WIZnet Ethernet modules, microcontrollers, sensors and actuators, IP cameras and remote monitoring devices. The module's isolation barrier ensures electrical separation between the Ethernet input and the DC power output. This protects sensitive digital components and helps maintain operational safety, particularly in industrial settings. The module has been developed with ease of integration in mind. Its plug-and-play design and compliance with standard protocols make it a practical solution for both new and existing systems. Simply connect the Ethernet cable to the input and the 5-volt output to your device. No need for external PoE controllers or voltage regulators. Its compact footprint is well suited to applications with limited PCB space. Typical applications include IoT nodes, home and industrial automation, security and surveillance, smart metering and remote terminals. Key benefits and specifications can be found on our website. The WIZ PoE P1 module from WIZnet is now part of our stock and is available for immediate use in your projects. If you are developing a new device or solution, now is a great time to try it out. Just request a sample and put it to the test. If you are interested in more information, reach out at soselectronic.com and we'll be happy to assist you.